For as low as 700 pesos, pwede ka na magstay sa isang hotel dito sa Makati. Believe it or not, yes guys, nag-e-exist yung mga ganitong hotel and located lang naman siya sa Makati City. This is Tiara Oriental Hotel. Pagpasok niyo pa lang, bubungad na sa inyo yung lobby and reception area nila and napakaganda ng ambience. Ang ganda ng design, it's very vintage and classy. The lobby is very cozy and pwedeng-pwede talaga kayo tumambay dito while waiting for your room. And dito naman tayo sa may second floor, which is dito hinaheld yung mga events nila. And dito naman sa kanilang function room guys, they have 2 function rooms available po yan for rent. And if you are looking for an affordable events place guys, try nyo yung services nila. Saktong-sakto kasi pagpunta namin may nag-debut. This 13-story building has a lot of rooms for you to choose from. And napakaganda nito guys, perfect talaga siya for your family, friends, and kahit kayo magjowa. And they also have a free access sa kanilang gym for every guest na magche-check-in. And kapag nag-book kayo ng room, it comes with a free plated breakfast. And ito nga pala yung room na nakuha namin. This is deluxe triple with free plated breakfast. Ito yung bathroom nila with complete complimentary hygiene kits, hair dryer, face and body towels. Tapos yung bathtub nila na may hot and cold water options. In a short period of time na stay namin dito guys, ang masasabi ko sobrang sulit talaga yung binook namin dito. Walang tapon guys, napaka-comfy, napaka-cozy, and napaka-enjoyable. And ito na nga yung exciting part guys, since it comes with a free plated breakfast, napakaganda nung serving nila dito guys, mabubusog talaga kayo kasi meron pa silang pa-fruits and coffee. Overall customer service nila guys, napaka-accommodating and sobrang hands-on ng mga staff. And yung lunch nila, tignan nyo guys, sobrang sulit kahit sa plated dinner nila. Sobrang sasarap ng mga foods. Highly recommended ko talaga tong hotel na to and you can get additional discounts kapag nag-book kayo mismo sa Facebook page nila. Kaya kung naghahanap kayo ng sulit na staycation dito sa Makati, try nyo na sa Tiara Oriental Hotel.